Hi Gaurav,
Yeah,
this is Vineet. So we are here at Aartex and Gaurav is the director here.
Right.
And Gaurav, please tell us about your brand, your company.
yeah. So Aartex is a Delhi-based company, and we are 25 years old company, and it has everything in-house productions. We have all the machines, the foiling machines, the jacquard machines, the rashels, the Kalmer rashels, everything is in-house. And we are dealing with a Modi ji product called Make in India. So
Wow.
everything is in India. We are manufacturing each and everything, even in the printing, digital marketing, everything, whatever we're doing everything inside.
In-house.
Nothing is, everything is in-house.
So you have team of designers
We have,
from
we
A
do
to
have
Z, everything.
Everything is in-house.
So can you show us about your products? How? So these are looking very
This-
exclusive, very
Yeah,
luxurious.
this is the latest products, and this is the curtains and upholstery range what we have. And we have bought the designs from Italy. This is the Camilla Francis designs. And we are dealing into all the Italy designs and Germany designs.
And what
Giving
is
the-
the fabric?
The fabric is, this is a velvet.
Velvet.
Yeah. This is a velvet. We have cotton, we have polycot, we have nets, shears, all kind of fabrics.
And what is this Gaurav?
This is
print?
the latest. We have launched a devotional theme. So we have launched all the devotional
thing.
curtains.
Very, very interesting.
all the curtains, because I've seen. I was looking for my temple, my mandir home. I was not getting a
So
curtain.
this is specifically for mandir
mandirs,
and temples
yeah,
and
yeah.
things like
This
that.
is
Wow.
especially for there, and this is for Ganpati Ji's, and this is for Vaheguru,
Wow, wonderful. That's
and this
beautiful.
is for Vaishno Devi, Mata Rani. We have done.
Yeah,
So we are
wow.
making different kinds of exploring all the
I think it's a very, very new concept.
New concept.
I haven't seen this before.
yeah.
Very nice. So you can find here luxury furnishings, fabrics, and also the spiritual fabrics.
Yes.
I think
the
this is the
devotion.
first
This is
one.
The new
you
thing.
have.
Yeah.
Yeah, wonderful. And what about all the other
Other
projects?
fabrics are for upholstery fabrics.
Uh-huh.
That is.
Please show us around.
These are the upholstery range, upholstery catalogs, and different kind of foils.
So how your company brand is different than others?
I told you, sir, that different is others that we can provide you 1,000 meters tomorrow.
Oh,
If you want the same color, same design, anything, we can provide you same day also. Our supply is the main key. So our services is the main key.
so how people connect you through your dealers,
Through
distributors?
dealers, or they can visit our website. We'll give you the website address and everything.
And how many designs or
We have
catalogs?
10,000 SKUs.
10,000 designs,
SKUs.
SKUs you
Yes.
have. Okay. Wow,
Near about
wonderful.
100 catalogs we have of upholstery curtains and 10,000 SKUs.
And if the customer is buying or a designer is buying the product, what will be the range, starting range to
Starting range is near about 500 rupees. and
500
even
rupees to per square meter?
Per meter.
Okay.
It goes till 2,000 rupees per meter.
500 to
2,000.
2,000 rupees a meter.
Yeah. These are the. This is the London collection. This has more of houndstooth, checks, no florals, only all the Gucci type of prints
Wow.
and houndstooth designs.
Very, very, very luxurious.
Yes.
And I think it has a Versace design also.
It has a kind of Versace.
Kind
not
of,
a- yeah.
not kind of Versace.
And
What do you call those prints?
the checks.
Checks.
Yeah, the Burberry checks if you call.
Burberry checks.
Yes. And this is the launch what we have made. This is the launch. We have collaborated an Indian designer, fashion designer called Param Sahib.
Oh wow. So can you see that? It's a design by Param, and
Sorry,
this is the exclusive
This is
design.
exclusive launch for fashion designer called Param Sahib, and we are promoting him. Aartex is collaborated with Param. So these are the designs of Param Singh Sahib.
Oh wow. So this is all the collection.
All collection. It's a designer collection.
Wonderful.
We have the exclusive collection and the.
And can
These
you
are the
see
wall art
designs?
designs.
It's amazing, beautiful. Can you show us the few of the catalogs?
Yes, of course. So this is the collection what I'm talking about the designer collection. This is a fashion designer called Param Sahib.
Param Sahib.
And this is about the collection. This is about the designer.
Designer.
Who is the designer? And so the collection starts from here. And this is all about. This is the first colorways. This is the damask,
Wow.
foils,
Beautiful.
plains, the chevrons, the textures, plains, geometricals, then again plains,
Wow.
and this is again a floral. So these are the colorways now what I'm showing you. These are the cream colorways, this is the coffee colorways. Now this is the black grey.
Amazing
This is
collection.
more trending. Now emerald green is even
Wow.
high, and the last one is the blue.
So what is this material is, Gaurav?
This is the cotton material,
Okay.
and this is the material for the upholstery.
And how about the maintenance of the product?
This is actually a 45,000 rubs, so it is easily home washable.
So this
Nothing to
can
dry
be
clean.
easily
Easily home
washed.
washable.
Oh wow. So we don't need any dry
No,
clean and
no.
all.
This has a good martindale, so we don't need to do any kind of that wash. This is the new catalog what we have launched for the architects, and this is near about 100 colors.
In one
One
catalog
design,
you have
in one
100
design.
colors.
In one design there are 100 colors. So we are showing you all the colors. These are the colorways.
So majorly we can use for upholstery.
Upholstery. This is basically only for upholstery.
For upholsteries. Okay.
This is all the colorways you can use only for upholsteries.
So viewers, you can see the design collection, more than 1 lakh designs you have. And I don't think so you will find it anywhere. And you can see the collections what they have. It's, I think, very, very extraordinary, and everything is created in-house,
In-house, everything.
from their teams. And what is this about?
And this
Beetles.
is Beetles,
Wow.
yeah.
Kya baat
So
hai.
this is a Beetles collection.
Wonderful.
This is from a childhood till the devotional, what I've shown you over there. So this is a childhood collection,
Wow.
floral. Then we have kept a name of a peekaboo. This is a peekaboo with the flags
Wow.
for the kids. This is the kids
Wonderful.
collection. Then we have only for the girls. This is a Nastia, only for baby girls.
Amazing collection.
Fish,
So,
fairies. And then we have only for blue boys, the naughty boys. We
wow.
have the cars, checks, satellites.
Wonderful. Beautiful.
And now the age is growing, so now they don't want this. So we come to the world. Now this is a world. So we have Eiffel Tower, the Paris, the American flag.
Wonderful.
Now the world tour is starting. Now they're into parachutes.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Now they are going for a nature walk.
Amazing collection.
Then this is the geometricals. They're going for a leaves, geometricals. Then after that go for a contemporary. This is numerics. Then wall art. Then we have a newspaper. After newspaper, they're gonna go to the Hollywood or a Bollywood.
Wow.
So we have a Marlon Monroe. Then a Charlie Chaplin.
Beautiful. Amazing collection.
Then we
Truly.
have a magazines. Now the kid has become an adult.
Yeah.
So he is reading a magazines. After magazine, he is converted to Archie's comics.
Wow, it is kind of a journey.
Kind of a journey of a man.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Then he is a foodie. He's a munchies. He loves everything. Now he's loved donuts.
Yeah.
He's a fond of pineapples. And coffee is always everyone's favorite.
True. Absolutely.
So now he loves beaches. This is a coastal range.
Oh.
This has the shells. Then he gets married and go to the jungle.
Aha.
And this is the flamingos.
Amazing.
The lion.
Amazing collection.
And
Amazing.
now age is growing on. So he comes to a Mughal.
Oh wow.
The Mughal.
Very, very interesting.
Now the Mughal journey is going on. And at last, this is a devotional.
Spiritual.
Spiritual,
Devotional.
yeah.
Wow.
This is a Vaheguru. This is Mata
Great.
Rani. And this is Ganesh Ji. This is a Radha.
Extraordinary. Amazing collection.
This is a journey from childhood to the...
So how long it took to create
Took
this?
1.5 years.
Oh, and your team has created really amazing stuff.
Took 1.5 years.
Can you really imagine how much time and effort it takes to create a design which is amazing and mesmerizing? Really amazing, and you can see. So we have a website.
Yeah,
where
we have a website. It's www.artexfurnishings.com.
Okay.
So you can contact or catch us over there.
So it can be pan India, pan world. You can
Pan world.
supply.
We even have an app of Aartex Furnishings. You can even download in iOS and Android, and you can contact us on that also.
So viewers will give you the details in the description, and you can contact directly to Aartex. Thank you very much, Gaurav. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Gaurav.
Thank you.